What if I tell you that this small circuit can automatically turn your light on at night and off in daylight without any Arduino, without any programming? Yes, anyone can make this auto on-off LED dark sensor circuit at home using just one IC and one sensor. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to make an automatic LED light on-off circuit using NE555 IC and LDR. This circuit is very simple, very sensitive, and perfect for beginners. Let's first see the components required. One NE555 IC, one LDR, light-dependent resistor, one 1 mega ohm variable resistor, 4 volt to 12 volt DC battery or power supply. That's it, only 3 main components. What is LDR? LDR means light-dependent resistor. Its resistance changes with light. In bright light, resistance is low. In darkness, resistance is high. Because of this property, LDR is perfect for automatic light control circuits. What is NE555 IC? NE555 is a very popular timer and comparator IC. It can work in different modes like timer, oscillator, comparator. In this circuit, we are using NE555 as a voltage comparator to detect light and dark conditions. Now let's understand the circuit connection step by step. First, connect pin 2 and pin 6 of the NE555 IC together. Then connect pin 4 and pin 8 together. Connect the LDR between pin 8 and pin 6. Take the 1 mega ohm variable resistor. Connect pin 1 of variable to IC pin 1 negative. Connect pin 2 of variable to IC pin 2. Leave pin 3 open. The output is taken from IC pin 3. Important point, in one condition, pin 3 gives positive output. In another condition, pin 3 gives negative output. So you can choose normal on mode or normal off mode depending on how you connect your load. If you are using a 12 volt battery, you can connect 12 volt LED bulb, relay, any DC device. In my case, I am using a 4 volt battery, so I am using a 4 volt LED strip, LED positive, IC pin 3, LED negative, battery negative, or IC pin 1. Now let's see how this circuit works. When light intensity is high, the LDR resistance becomes low. The NE555 output changes state. The LED turns off. As soon as light intensity reduces, darkness increases, LDR resistance increases. The NE555 output switches and the LED turns on automatically. You can easily adjust the sensitivity of this circuit using the 1 mega ohm variable resistor. You can see that when I reduce the light falling on the LDR, the LED turns on, and when I increase the light, the LED turns off automatically. If you like this simple and useful electronics project, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy DIY electronics circuits. Comment below if you want PCB version or relay-based streetlight project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.